Hi everybody, in this short video I'll show you the current working progress of our Turtle graphic app and give you a taste of the advanced design patterns you learn in the full course. So basically this is our application, this is our Turtle, and we have some basic commands, and you see we can turn everywhere, and we can also send commands. I just started with this one, so something like this, and of course, the idea is to develop a language. Already started implementing some patterns. So, for instance, the interpreter is here, and of course, we need a model view control, a good implementation of a model view control to deal with the interaction, the user interaction with the turtle, for instance. What is the goal of this program? Well, I'd like to develop a language and learn how to draw these really nice figures that we can do with turtle. Maybe add more turtles and see these things. Of course, the program gets more complex and more complex, and our goal is as usual, is to reduce the complexity over time. So what we want to teach, what you want to learn, is not only how to apply design patterns. In this case, there are lots of combinations of design patterns that have to work together. But these design patterns must be able to reduce the complexity of our software system. Okay, bye-bye.